Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're going to learn the past tense in the Arabic language. We're going to learn how to say things like I studied, I ate, I drank, and so on. If you've been following this course, then the past tense should be really easy because the past tense conjugation is the same as the conjugation for laysa. So if you already know how to conjugate laysa, you know how to conjugate a past tense verb. Alright, now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 to see how we can conjugate the past tense of the verb to go. Let's start with he went. هو ذهب. هو ذهب. She went. هي ذهبت. هي ذهبت. They went. Masculine. هم ذهبوا. هم ذهبوا. They went. Feminine. هن ذهبن. هن ذهبن. You went. أنت ذهبت. أنت ذهبت. You went. Feminine. أنت ذهبت. أنتِ ذهبتِ. You went. Plural masculine. أنتم ذهبتم. أنتم ذهبتم. You went. Plural feminine. أنتن ذهبتن. أنتن ذهبتن. I went. أنا ذهبت. أنا ذهبت. And we went. نحن ذهبنا. نحن ذهبنا. So as you can see, the endings for the past tense verb are the exact same endings for laysa. Now let's move on to table 2 to look at the verbs that we're going to be using in this lesson. On the left side we have the past tense, and on the right side we have the present tense. Let's start with the first one. درس يدرس. This verb means to learn, to study. The second one, عمل يعمل, to work. Next, شرب يشرب, to drink. Next, أكل يأكل, to eat. The next one, سكن يسكن, to live. And the last one, ذهب يذهب, to go. Okay, great. That's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1, he learned Arabic. هو درس العربية. Number 2, she learned English. هي درست الإنجليزية. Number 3, they studied a lot. هم درسوا كثيرا. Number 4, they studied at a good school. هن درسن في مدرسة جيدة. Number 5, he lived with me. هو سكن معي. Number 6, I lived in a big city. أنا سكنت في مدينة كبيرة. Number 7, you lived in a small village. أنت سكنت في قرية صغيرة. Number 8, you lived in a comfortable apartment. أنتم سكنتم في شقة مريحة. Number 9, you lived or stayed at a hotel. أنتن سكنتن في فندق. Number 10, we lived in a big house. نحن سكننا في بيت كبير. Number 11, he ate a cake. هو أكل كعكة. Number 12, she ate at a restaurant. هي أكلت في مطعم. Number 13, they ate a lot. هم أكلوا كثيرا. Number 14. He drank coffee. هو شرب القهوة. Number 15. We drank tea. نحن شربنا الشاي. Number 16. He worked a lot. هو عمل كثيرا. Number 17. They worked in a big office. هم عملوا في مكتب كبير. Number 18. They worked at a hospital. هن عملن في مستشفى. Number 19. Did you study Arabic? هل أنتم درستم العربية؟ Number 20. We ate at an Arabic restaurant. نحن أكلنا في مطعم عربي. Number 21. He went to the park. هو ذهب إلى الحديقة. Number 22. Where did you go in the morning? أين أنت ذهبت في الصباح? Number 23. She went to work. هي ذهبت إلى العمل. Number 24. Did you work a lot? هل أنت عملت كثيرا؟ Number 25. What did you eat in the morning? ماذا أنت أكلت في الصباح؟ Number 26. Did they go to the park? هل هم ذهبوا إلى الحديقة؟ Number 27. What did you drink? ماذا أنتن شربتن؟ And number 28. Where did you learn Arabic? أين أنتم درستم العربية? Alright, great. There's also a sample sentences 2 section where we compare the past tense and the present tense together side by side so you can better understand how to go from the past tense of a verb to the present tense. So make sure you check it out. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or questions about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.